If you don't control type, type controls you. You'll always be forever intimidated by type, and in the world of information that we live in, typography is the foundation of how we communicate to other human beings. This class is called Typography Design Fundamentals. It is to teach you every single thing that I've learned while going to a private art school, one of the best art center college of design. It's the culmination of everything I've learned, plus some extra things I had to research and discover for myself and distilled into one course. This course is for anybody that wants to improve their design. Notice I didn't say typography to improve their design, because speaking from a personal point of view, when I learned how to use typography to understand rules about contrast, proportion, relationships between objects, I felt like the key to the design universe was given to me. I felt empowered to design not only two-dimensional layouts, but also three-dimensional objects. I've used the same principles in design to design architectural spaces, to design facades to buildings, to design furniture. There are 4 main modules that are in this course. Contrast and repetition, the top, I would say, 10 or 20 rules about what you can do to improve your typography. Next up, we talk about grids. We break down all kinds of grids. Grids like the root 2, root 3, the golden section, Fibonacci sequence, and I'm literally going over on top of Masterworks and laying a grid so that you can see the relationship between objects and draw your own conclusion. Also included in this course are typographic details. Where do we get these Roman letter forms from? What was the origin of the history, and how does that relate to what we're doing? They're all based on common geometric shapes, the circle, the square, and the triangle. And I get into that and explain why those things are important. We get into the nitty-gritty. We talk about typographic terms that you should know. You understand relationships about how letter forms are drawn, and I connect that all together in this very comprehensive course. Of course, we gotta do some layouts. So part of this is learning the principles and then applying it and applying the rules into an actual assignment. So you get an assignment, one that was borrowed from way back from Basel, Switzerland. This is how designers learn how to use typography. It's a 7-week self-study course. You can do that part on your own. There are 4 principal modules, and each one is an hour and a half long in length. Some of them actually run a little bit longer. There are a couple of bonus episodes. There is an episode on keyboard shortcuts for Adobe Illustrator. It's how I move at the speed of thought. I'm sharing that with you. That also comes with overlays so that you can see the keyboard keys that I press. And there are 2 live work sessions, one for Helvetica, where I sit down with a younger designer and I coach her through it. And the other video that comes part of this package is we design a website together, or at least the landing page, and we look at a site, we deconstruct it, we kind of figure out the parts and pieces that make up what it is, and then we do something very similar. So I share that entire process with you. So even if you're not really interested in print design, can't blame you. If you want to do web or digital, you can benefit from this course. When you're done with this course, you'll have much greater confidence and not run away from your typographic problems. You'll be able to have the tools, the techniques, and the principles that really underlie great typography. And you'll be able to wield type like a master.